right, so how to make a screencast video by Mr. Dunlap. All right, so step by step, I've already showed you most of the steps. So step one, I go to My Media, I'm going to click Record, and then Screen, and then Next. I'm going to pick my mic, and then I'm going to hit Next again. All right, remember I showed you I want to hit an entire screen, and then Share. That says Next, but it says Share. I'm sorry, I typed the wrong thing. Right? Remember that white button that popped up? I click the X. I do not hit stop. When the countdown is over, then I'm going to, well, that's so funny. That doesn't even make sense. Then I'm going to go over to the tab that I want to record, and I'm going to walk through my steps. I'm going to try to talk slowly. I'm going to make sure that my people have a chance to see what I need to do. Sometimes I might want to repeat myself. Okay, it's okay to go slowly. Step 4, when I'm all done recording, I'm going to click down here by the clock. I'm going to click down here by the clock, and I'm going to stop this. I'm not going to do it quite yet because I'm not ready. Okay? I'll show you that in just a little bit. Once the video saves, I can edit just like any other video, and we'll do that in just a second. And then you'll earn that badge when you let me know that you see it. All right, so let's go out of here.